back to my channel. Today I'll be silk pressing my hair, and I'm starting by unraveling these plaits. I washed and conditioned my hair and put it in these braids to air dry. I have had them for 2 days now, and to keep my hair moisturized, I've been using the natural hair oil from Pure Organic Empire, and I should tell you, it's amazing. It moisturizes the hair and the scalp, stimulates hair growth, and leaves the hair shiny and soft. And it's blended with fenugreek, cedarwood, peppermint, ginger, lavender, aloe vera, rosemary, avocado, guava, and onion oil, which all helps in stimulating hair growth. What I'm doing right now is taking down the braids one by one using a Rattail comb. I'm being gentle with the hair, most especially the ends, so that I prevent breakage.
You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this blind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? True for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would I'm fed up. Just saying this is not enough. Write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch.
This is how the hair looks with all the braids out, and now I'm going in with my straightening comb. And now I'm just switching it on. I'm not sure about the temperature, but I think it's about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 232 degrees Celsius. And now I'm sectioning off a small section at the back, tying the rest away and raking through that section with my fingers so that it's nice and detangled. I'm going in with the olive oil hair protectant hair serum, applying a few drops on the section and working it in so that it's evenly distributed. I'm now combing through the section with a straightening brush. It's called a straightening brush, but it doesn't actually straighten the hair, but gives it a blown out look. I'm going in a few more times with a comb. You don't want to miss any tangles because those pieces won't lie during the straightening process. I'm doing the same thing with this section, applying the heat protectant and going in with the straightening brush.
When we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? True for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would I'm fed up. Just saying this is not enough. Write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing? This kind of
This is how we're looking at, guys, and the next step is flat ironing. I'm now sectioning off my hair. To acquire the best silk press, I recommend you work on small sections of hair. I'm using the comb chest method, simply running the comb through the hair right in front of the iron. Holding the hair in place, I'm clamping the flat iron on the section of the hair near the roots and slowly gliding it all the way down the length of the hair. Don't leave the straightener in one place for too long as it will burn your hair. I'm going to continue this process to the rest of the hair until I've straightened it all. The comb chase method is a great method to use to flat iron fragile hair as it requires only one pass, limiting the heat you apply on your hair. To achieve a good silk press, your hair must be thoroughly washed to remove any product buildup and dirt. This will allow you to get a silk press with body and movement. The hair must also be well conditioned and hydrated before any heat process. This will help your silk press reach its full potential. And lastly, don't use any oils or heavy products before getting a silk press. Clogged hair follicles are never good, so don't be afraid to let your hair breathe a little before heading for your treatment. The results will be totally worth it.
What you're saying, Liz, is not enough. Write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing? This kind of fussing. This kind of fussing. I've been loyal, you've been drunk.
This is a final look and I'm so happy how it turned out. It turned out so good, so smooth, silky, straight and flowy. I also love the fact that it's still full and has body. Lastly, I go in with my favorite hair oil from Pure Organic Empire. I love applying it on my hair and scalp because it stimulates blood saturation, bringing nutrients to the scalp, nourishing the hair and stimulating hair growth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.